Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we are talking about how to change your WordPress password. Why would you want to know how to change your WordPress password? Well, maybe it is your first time using WordPress and not sure how to change your WordPress password. So today I am going to show you how to change your WordPress password. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Changing your WordPress password is quite simple and easy to do, and the process is same for all devices. Let me show how you will change your WordPress password. First of all, open WordPress in your Chrome browser, and now here is my WordPress home screen. And then move your mouse cursor to profile icon in the right top corner, and then click on Edit Profile. Now in this page, first scroll down, and then in Account Management section, click on Set New Password. Now it can suggest a new password, but you can add your password, and then in the end, click on Update Profile, and your password has been changed. So there you go. If you were wondering how to change your WordPress password, that is the easiest way I know. If you know another way, please leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.